This is Matrix 3 and 4 for Powerball 3-2-2026. Pick your numbers around the zeros. You can combine two numbers that share the same zero to make a two-digit number. For instance, this zero here, and the zero you find in this matrix. You can diagonally connect the numbers that are around the zero, 67, horizontally 38, vertical 23. Any number touching the zeros, 2, 6, 8, 5, 3, 7, 3, and 4, the direct adjacent number to that number touching the zero can also be included. 69, 24, 32, 23, 37, 58. Okay, I draw my 45-degree lines. I'm not coloring anything in this time. This is new. Okay, I know it's going to be very, very, very good. But I just want to watch this time, okay? But any zeros that intersect this line, like this one here, be two numbers there. This one here, it should be two numbers there. Okay, any zero that's very close to this line, like this line here, this zero here, one number should be there. Should have at least one number here. Okay, should be a number here. They're all good. The better, I've noticed, the better I make the matrix, okay, the more numbers are going to be around that line. Correct. Okay, even the zeros are like this one here, okay? A line intersects it. Should be two numbers there, but it's probably going to include this zero also, okay? So there's going to be two numbers in there, all right? Should be at least one number here. The top I'm not sure about. I'm just not sure about that top. Just not sure, because last time it was so obvious and the numbers weren't there. The line went through the fives on two different matrices. I had 4 5s, 2 on each one, and there are no numbers around it. So I'm not sure about the top. And the edges, I'm not sure. There should be one number there. Okay. So cross-reference with this matrix, okay, we have a line going through the zero there. Should be two numbers in there. Should be two numbers here. Okay. I'm trying to keep my page keeps curling up. Okay. There should be two numbers here. Okay, there should be at least one number here, probably two. There's probably two. Let's say a good number right there. Probably two numbers here, and that includes that zero also. There's probably one number here. One number. Okay. All right. To compare the two, these four matrices that I put up for Powerball are going to be very, very good, okay? I mean, they're going to be really good. I'll draw my lines next time. It's just so much work. I mean, if you want to get an angle finder off Walmart for like $14 and set that thing to 45 degrees, okay? And do 45 this way, 45 that way to each zero, each one. These zeros point at the zeros that are going to have the winning numbers. They just do. I don't know why. They tell on each other. But if you get your angle finder and set it to 45 degrees, go 45 degrees from that line, that zero, this way, all these zeros. When you have a line intersect the zero more than once, that's a hot zero, okay? I'm going to do this as an example. I'm going to take this matrix here and this one here, and I'm going to do that. And I'm going to post it. I know it's confusing. It's very confusing. It was for me. And it's still eye-boggling to look at it. But I'm going to show you what I mean, okay? So I'm going to do Powerball 3-2-2026, Matrix 3 and 4 again. And I'm going to draw a lot of lines on it. And you're going to say, forget this. That's okay. This is only for those people that really want to make a difference and get the right numbers, okay? Because I don't have the numbers, can't give them to you. But we sure as heck can try and figure this out. So take this matrix, these two matrices, 3 and 4, compare them with 1 and 2, okay? Look at the numbers that are on this line. Look at the zeros, okay, that are on this line. And write down them numbers that are around this zero, that are on the line, okay, right here. Here's another one. There's another one. There's another one. Another one. Another one. Take these numbers that are around the zeros that are on the line. Okay. There's matrix 1 and 2. Take the numbers that are around the zeros that are on the line. Okay, only on the line. Only on the line. Okay, there's another one. There's another one. Another one. For sure, this one here. And write them numbers down. Only the zeros the line passes through. Okay? Write them down. Okay? So this is matrix 3 and 4 for Powerball 3-2-2026. Play on paper, don't waste your money. Let's have some fun doing math. Catch you later.